Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this stylish 308 SW in the GT line specification. So this car comes with a lovely large panoramic glass roof, there's full LED headlights, you get 18-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, so it's a front and rear parking sensor with a 180-degree colour reversing camera. Now inside the car you've got the red GT line style stitching, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights and wipers and cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 12,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.